Ubuntu is a source of happiness. Yes, you heard it right. Ubuntu is a source of happiness. Now you might be thinking, what is Ubuntu? And in case you know its operating system, how can that be a source of happiness? Hi everyone, this is Rajat Khatri, the happiness coach, and I guide people how to live a happier life by making small changes in their day-to-day life. Before moving ahead, please subscribe to my channel so that you can listen to some really interesting stories and can understand what are the typical keys to happiness. Once upon a time, an anthropologist, a person who understands the behavior of a group of people, he went to Africa to understand the behavior of the people living in tribes. So one day he was just sitting there and he saw a lot of children playing. He called all the children and he asked that, do you want to play a game with me? Everyone said yes. So he quickly went and came back with a bucket full of fruits, wrapped it up as a gift, and he kept it there. Then he asked the kids that as soon as I'll whistle, what you need to do is you all need to run. You go and touch the tree which is at another end of the ground, come back to me, and whosoever will come first will get this gift, and he will get all the fruits to eat. All the children agreed. And as soon as he whistled, he was surprised. He was really surprised to see that all the children were running together. They all touched the tree at the same time, and they all started coming back and came back to him at the same time, holding each other's hand. He was perplexed, confused, and since he was just thinking that what has happened, the children just took the gift away from him and started eating and sharing the fruits among them. He was very, very confused that how come people from the tribe who really don't have food to eat on a day-to-day basis, they are sharing the fruits with each other. So he finally asked them that why is it that you all ran together? And why isn't that one of you just ran faster and won the race and took all the fruits with him? A little girl from that group, she stood up and said, how can one of us be happy when everyone else is sad? This sentence just touched him. He went back to his country and started thinking about it. After a few years, a South African activist, he called this concept as Ubuntu, which means I am because we are. It also means that I am a person. A person means a person because of the persons. That means it's very, very important to have happier people around us for us to live a happy life. Yes, that's right. We really need to be in a group of people who are really happy and they're doing something meaningful for us to live a very happier lifestyle, happier life. So therefore, I request you to think about all the people whom you deal with on a day-to-day basis. Make sure how are you helping them to be happier, because if they are happy, then you are going to be happy. And hence, Ubuntu is a source of happiness. And yes, it's not an operating system. It is a key to happiness. Stay connected with me for more such stories about happiness and for a better lifestyle. See you. Bye-bye.